Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add VPN in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to add a free VPN to your Windows, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings. Just click on this window icon here and then open settings. In settings, just click on Network and Internet and then look for VPN here. Just select VPN, then select Add VPN. You just have to make sure that these two toggles are enabled and then have that VPN. And here you must have to add a VPN. So the very first in the very first corner you have to enter Windows built-in. Now here you have to enter connection name. So let's say I'm gonna add here free VPN. So once I've entered, you just have to go to your browser. Let's say I'm gonna open the browser here. And you just have to search for a website which is VPN address. Just search for this and then open the website from VPN Gate. And here you will see the VPN address of different servers. So you just have to copy any address from here. So let's say I'm gonna copy this one. Here's the address. Just copy it and paste it in your server name or address option. Once I've entered, just tap on the VPN type. It is selected automatic. So you just have to select SSTP or PPTP, which you find here. So here SSTP. So I have selected SSTP from here. So I'm gonna SSTP select this. Now you have to enter username and password. So we don't know about username and password. Go to the website again, and here in username you must see this username which is VPN. Just copy this from here and paste it in username, and then copy password and paste it in password section. Once you have done that, just tap on this save option and it will be saved. Now your VPN is not saved. You just have to click on this connect option. It will take a couple of minutes to connect with your VPN, depends on your internet speed. And once it's done, your VPN will be successfully connected. So in this way, you can easily set up a VPN and your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.